In digital infrastructure, scale matters. But the real question is how quickly you can turn signed partnerships into deployed capacity and revenue. Today, we're looking at what this latest agreement could mean for AEG's growth trajectory and how the economics could evolve as the platform scales. To discuss this, I'm joined by Paul Elliott, CEO of AEG. Paul, welcome to the watch list.
Thanks for having me, Ricky.
It's a pleasure to have you. So, Paul, tell us about this new partnership. It clearly moves your 100 megawatt strategy forward. And in this space, execution timelines are everything. What are the key milestones and timelines investors should be watching as you move from LOI to full deployment and revenue generation?
Yeah, so as exciting as it is, obviously signing with Bitdeer, who are obviously a very, very large NASDAQ listed company, our timelines and revenue remain pretty much the same. The important fact is that with Bitdeer, we no longer have the need to find individual clients because we're hosting effectively. So speed is going to be accelerated 100%.
So, and speaking of Bitdeer, as more operators chase scale in digital infrastructure, the quality of the partner you choose can really become a real differentiator. So, how does working with Bitdeer specifically strengthen your competitive position versus others pursuing a similar strategy?
Yeah, it's a good question. I think you find that with Bitdeer as a partner, it gives us an edge, 100%. They'll provide the latest hardware, offering efficiency and obviously greater returns. It also allows us to concentrate on just the infrastructure, and then they simply overlay on the top of it. So it's a good partnership. It really is.
And so, that aside for a second, beyond deployment, investors are going to be focused on the shape of the revenue model as the platform matures. So, with your dual layer approach, combining more stable infrastructure income with profit sharing upside, how do you see that balance evolving over time as the business does scale?
It's quite important, and obviously it's really exciting. Um, with the dual layer revenue model, our core income is still from the hosting side, which basically gives us free cash flow on its own. Um, but on a stable platform from one blue chip client, our revenue share based on Bitcoin mining, again with the latest hardware offering higher returns per megawatt, it means that we're going to get a good return per megawatt per year. It also gives us an edge, I believe, going forward. If you look at our pivot, what we've always said, pivoting towards AI, which is a big important factor. We're in place for that on our infrastructure, and Bitdeer with their latest announcements, they're also going the same way with AI on their hardware. So, it's a great partnership going forward. I can't say enough. It's great.
Fantastic news. It looks like a story of moving from strategy into execution, where the pace of deployment, the strength of the partnership, and the mix of recurring revenue versus upside participation will be key to value creation. Thank you so much for your time today, Paul.
Thanks for having me. Cheers, Ricky. Thank you.
Once again, that is Paul Elliott, CEO of AEG PLC. For more on the company and its digital infrastructure strategy, visit aegplc.com. That's all for this episode of The Watch List. I'm Ricky Lee. Make good choices today.